Here are 7 benefits of lemongrass that may result from drinking lemongrass tea. 1. Relieving anxiety. Many people find sipping hot tea to be relaxing, but lemongrass tea may offer further anxiety-reducing properties. 2. Lowering cholesterol. According to an article in the Journal of Advanced Pharmaceutical Technology and Research, consuming lemongrass extracts appears to lower cholesterol. 3. Preventing infection. According to the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, study results suggest that lemongrass may have some infection-preventing capabilities. 4. Boosting oral health. In many countries, people will take the lemongrass stalks and chew on them as a way to improve dental health and keep the mouth feeling clean. 5. Relieving pain. According to one study, lemongrass may be able to block pain. It means that drinking lemongrass tea could potentially help to prevent a person from sensing pain. 6. Boosting red blood cell levels. The results of a 2015 study suggest that drinking lemongrass tea infusions daily for 30 days can increase hemoglobin concentration, packed cell volume, and red blood cell count in the body. 7. Relieving bloating.